Too many people suffer through cleaning their house and having low back pain that lasts for a while afterwards, that limits their other activities in life, and they shouldn't be. It's simply not okay. And today we're going to talk about what you can do about it if cleaning your house causes your low back pain. I'm Dr. Amy, PhD trained in orthopedic manual physical therapy, and I believe that movement is life, and you deserve both. Early on in my practice here, I had been a PT for 17 years at that point. I had a patient call me on a Saturday morning, and she said, "I'm so sorry to disrupt you. However, I am stuck on the floor and I don't know what I can do to get up." And I said, "Tell me more." And she's like, "I don't know what happened. All I was doing was going to plug in the vacuum, and all of a sudden I had this crippling pain and I fell to the floor because it hurt so much, and now I can't get up because I have so much pain." Now here's a key fact. I was not treating this patient for low back pain before this phone call. I was treating this patient for pain elsewhere in her body. I had noticed the low back tension. I had asked her, "Hey, do you want me to help you with this low back tension?" And she had said, "No, it doesn't bother me." I would add on to the end of that statement, "Yet." So over the phone, I gave her some very simple things to do at home to help be able to A, get her off the floor, and B, get her able to host the party that she was vacuuming for first thing in the morning. When she came into the clinic that week, of course, we started working on the low back pain and helping with that. However, there's sometimes you need an emergency kit to be able to get you off the floor. The thing is, I don't want you to have to end up on the floor. If your body is already giving you low back pain when you're cleaning the house, it is really important to listen to your body and to find some different strategies, because I will tell you that it doesn't get better on its own. So what happened particularly in her case? So what I had noticed in the clinic was that her low back muscles were tight. Now, she didn't have any pain, and we hadn't done a full evaluation on her low back, so I didn't know how the joints were moving, how the discs felt, and things like that. What I was able to see in the clinic and feel with my hands was that she had tension in her low back. The thing is that tension in your low back, that's how everything starts. And if we don't address it when there's tension in the low back, it will progress until it gets your attention. And I don't like saying that. I don't like putting that on you. However, I've seen it too many times to know that it is true. So please, if you have low back pain when you're doing housework, watch the end of this video. I'm going to give you some ideas on things that you can do. The problem with low back tension, or really tension anywhere throughout the body, is it causes compression. In the low back, it causes compression of the spine. So those joints start jamming together. Those discs get squished. And people say, "I have a prolapse disc or a herniated disc, and I don't know where it came from." My guess is that it came from some low back tension that got ignored for years. And those discs kept getting that stress, and finally, they just ruptured. You see, every tissue in your body is designed to heal as long as it's moving correctly. And also, if it's not moving correctly, it is not going to heal. Which means when we put increased activity through it, like cleaning the house, which is a lot of bending and twisting and reaching and all kinds of different motions that most of us don't do on a regular basis, it makes the whole situation worse. And that's the point of this video today, is that if you have low back pain after you clean house, or really after you do any activity, I don't want it to progress into a disc issue or a joint issue or a nerve issue or something worse than this. I want to help you deal with it now to save you the pain later on. Now, one answer for you may be hiring a house cleaner. And hey, if you've been looking for an excuse to hire a house cleaner, here it is, your free ticket. I can't clean my house, it causes low back pain. I give you permission to do that. Now, I also realize that that is not applicable for everybody. They may not have the means in order to be able to hire a house cleaner. If that's you, then there is something that I definitely do want you to do, and there's a couple different options. The first one would be, instead of cleaning the entire house at one time, clean one room a day. When you split it up over days, it's decreased stress to your low back at one time. And I understand if you are a type A personality like myself, that is the worst advice ever, because you want the whole house clean at one time, even if it's only going to stay clean for 5 minutes. And friends, I totally get that. However, cleaning one room at a time right now can help to build up the endurance in your low back so that then you can start doing 2 rooms at a time and work up to 3 rooms at a time and work up to being able to do the whole house without your low back pain. Now, for my friends who are like, nope, Dr. Amy, I simply cannot do that, I do have another idea for you. What I need you to do, if you insist on cleaning the whole house and it causes low back pain, is I need you to schedule some time after you clean the house. I need you to ice for 5 minutes, preferably laying flat on your back, if that's a comfortable position for you, or sitting in a chair. I want to have some pressure on that ice to help decrease the tension in the low back muscles. Then what I want you to do is get up and move gently. Do not return to cleaning house and bending over and twisting and lifting and all of those things. Go for a walk. Look on our YouTube channel for other ideas of exercises that you can do that are gentle for your low back. And then in the evening before you go to bed, make sure you ice again. Again, you just have to ice for 5 minutes. You don't have to do it for 20. The research is clear. After 5 minutes, you get the maximum benefit from the ice. Tap that like button if house cleaning is the most aggravating thing for your low back. Low back pain that happens when you're house cleaning is your body giving you a signal. There's something that's not completely right, and it gets aggravated when you do that higher level of activity. It is critically important that you listen to your low back at this point, because I'm going to tell you, friends, it's not going to get better unless you do something to make it better. Even simple things like spreading out the house cleaning throughout the week or doing some gentle movement after you clean the house, paired with ice, can help to decrease your pain and stop the progression. Your body will thank you, you will feel better, and your endurance for functional activities like house cleaning will actually increase over time. Not overnight, over time. If you're looking for some of those gentle movements that you can do after you do your house cleaning, go ahead and check out our YouTube channel. We have tons of videos for exercises for low back, and you can find some that work best for your body. If you'd like some more tips on what to do for low back pain, go check out dramykonvalin.com. We have a low back pain ebook just for you. And if you want to learn more about how to interpret your body's signals, don't forget to click that subscribe button.